So are you too busy to make breakfast in the morning? No worries. In today's video, I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe for delicious fluffy egg bites. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Francine and I share recipes from different parts of the world. So in today's video, I'm going to share how you can make these egg bites. The main ingredients for the recipe obviously are eggs, some veggies, but you can be creative. You can add some protein if you like, but I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm gonna use some veggies and some cheese. So are you ready? Let's do this. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to check my channel for more recipes, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope to catch you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.